We're going to need lots of different pieces of equipment in order to make our snowflake cookies. One of the most important ones is going to be a mixer. Now you can always beat the ingredients together, particularly the butter and the shortening, by hand using a wooden spoon, but that's going to give you a very sore arm very quickly. So you want something with good high horsepower, preferably a standing mixer, but if you have a good hand mixer, that'll work as well. You just have to be careful not to burn the motor out on that. Next, we're going to need some wax paper. This is essential for rolling out our cookie dough. It makes things a lot easier when it comes time to clean up. We're going to need measuring cups, measuring spoons for measuring our ingredients out, spatula. If you use a spoonula, then you can use it for both stirring things and for scraping the bowl. Of course, a nice heavy rolling pin. It's essential to get that cookie dough rolled out properly, so you want something that's going to do it quite easily for you, and something with a little bit of heft is going to do most of the work for you. Of course, we'll also need a mixing bowl. Besides the one in the standing mixer, you want a separate one for mixing your dry ingredients, a spatula for taking the cookies off of the cookie sheet. You want one that's going to be almost as big as your cookies if you can get it. That will make things a lot easier and help prevent cookie breakage. We will, of course, need cookie cutters. Now, I have some very nice Snowflake cookie cutters, but you can also make your own if you don't have exactly what you need. You can cut it out from paper and then trace it onto cardboard and then cut around the cardboard. Mine also comes with little pieces for cutting out holes to make the nice lacy snowflake. You can do this with a nice sharp knife instead. For decorating, we're going to need some tips, a coupler, and of course bags to put the icing in. And then just some random decorating things depending on how you want your cookies to turn out. And of course, last but not least, you're going to need some cookie sheets in order to bake your cookies on.